Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel and this is your September monthly reading. This is going to be a general reading and this reading is going to be divided into two halves, first half of September and second half. Let's see what are your general energies for this month. This is for Sun, Moon, Rising Taurus, so please check out your birth chart. Let's start with the first half, which is 1st to 15th. Your energies are Astronomer, Two of Moons and the Devil card. Uh-oh. What is this devil card really talking about? Let me just start with your energies, talking about you. You have a very positive energy. You are a person who's like a complete package in a relationship or marriage. You can take care of your home, you can take care of somebody who is in need, who is sick, you can go out and party, you can work well, right? You can maintain that balance in your life. I also see that you hold very loving energy for somebody. You really love someone. Okay. You have a lot of love, respect for someone. But unfortunately, the person that you're dealing with is a devil, is really toxic for you. Whether you can see it right now or not, because I can see that you're madly in love. Okay. You're madly in love with somebody who's not good for you, who's toxic for you. This person is trying to control you, abuse you, use you in some way. Maybe they're only there for your money, right? I do see that this person is narcissistic. So you have to really break up with this person. I'm sorry to say that, but you are being manipulated to the extent that maybe you cannot even see it. A lot of your friends and family would be also advising you the same thing, but unfortunately, you're wearing those rose tinted glasses, you're head over heels for this person, and probably you cannot see it yet. But yes, this month, maybe you will be able to see it and something happens. Whenever I see a devil card, I do not recommend being with this person because there's nothing you can do. If there's compatibility issue, if there's some other issue, I will suggest you to work on it, right? Work on it and life will be smooth. But you cannot really change someone's negative energy. A toxic person will remain a toxic person. A devil energy will remain a devil energy. Also, I do see that this devil energy can be some other party in your relationship in the form of in-laws, friends, yours, theirs, family, who are trying to harm your relationship or break you guys up. So whatever, whoever this person is, you have to cut them off, right? So please make sure that you follow the advice so that you are protected. Okay. The ultimate reason is that you are watching your own signs reading. So you have to be protected. The reading is for you. The guidance is for you. These are your divine messages. You have to follow what the cards are telling you this month. Let's see what's happening in the second half now. You've got the Pope card and the Lovers. Wow. This month, your focus is on your love life. There's nothing of your career, your work, your money. Unfortunately, you are so involved in your personal life and the chaos that you're dealing with that you're just maybe not able to focus on work. And right now, also, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to know about your love life rather than your career. Though Taurus, we all know that you are a hardworking person, always focused on your career, but maybe not this month. This month, you're really hoping for something from your love life, whether you are in a relationship, situationship, or you're married. Your focus is on your love life because you're trying to resolve things, understand things, or going through some shit in your life. I do see that some of you are really hoping to get married to somebody, okay, or trying to save your marriage. If some of you are suspecting that there's a third party or a negative third influence in your relationship, then yes, your partner could be involved with another person. That's a possibility, okay? The person who's really negatively influencing them, trying to break this marriage or relationship with you. This could also mean that there is another person, like I said, their friend, family, your family, somebody who is influencing them to break this marriage up or to never come close to you, right? Sometimes we are trying to get to know each other, and before our relationship starts, somebody tries to stop it because they are jealous, because they are not happy, and they can be our own family or friends. Okay, so please, reserve how much you share with your close ones because you don't know who's jealous of you, who cannot see you happy. They can pretend to be your friends, right? Devil card. There is somebody around you who's pretending to be a nice person. Probably they are not. So please do not share your life secrets with them. Your what is happening in your love life, who's coming towards you, who's your crush. No. till the time things finalize for you. And that also applies to your career, by the way, right? So if there's somebody who's trying to come in between, you think that, oh, this opportunity was just about to reach me, and then what happened? Because you shared it with a friend or family who did not have your best interest, and you lost that opportunity because of evil eye. Okay, so please beware of such people. Do not share your life secrets with anyone. I also see that those who are single can have multiple options to choose from. Okay, they could be on dating apps, matrimonial apps, multiple options, and they have to make a choice this month. This month you'll have to choose whether you want to get into a relationship or marry A, B, or C. For those who are in a relationship or marriage, once you get to know about a third party, you will also have to make an important decision whether to stay in this relationship or to move on, to end this, breakup, divorce, whatever that is for you, right? So, yes, it is going to be a powerful, eye opening month for you guys, and also a lot of negativity which is happening. Probably you're not even realizing it, but it is surrounding you. So, please beware. Please make wise choices. Do not trust anyone easily. Do not share your life secrets, because I do see toxic people around you trying to take advantage of you in some way or the other. And yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, do comment and let me know who this toxic person in your life is. And like this video and subscribe to my channel to get these accurate readings in advance. Now, this was a general reading, Taurus. If you would like to ask very specific questions regarding your life, I do have personal readings available. I also have rituals to remove the blockages from your life or to manifest your desires. And I have multiple other services available, love readings, packages, and counseling sessions. So email me if you want to know the prices or make any booking. The email ID is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow and DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. And yes, check out the description box and bio for more information. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.